Thank you. Thank you so much. It is really an honor to be here with all of you at RootsTech. In addition to being CEO of Ancestry, I'm also a passionate family historian, just like all of you. And this is my tree. And this is a picture of me and my brothers, which I added to my tree back in 2009. And this is a picture of our mom, Laurel. She was, and still is today, a very strong woman, raising 4 boys and all. But what we didn't know for most of our lives is that she's also a daredevil that jumped out of planes. I found this article about my mom on Ancestry's newspapers.com. It talks about how there was a bomb scare on a plane, and everyone had to evacuate using the emergency slides. Well, my mom was afraid to jump down because she was pregnant with me. And that right there is my favorite part of genealogy, the rich content and the way it helps us turn records into real stories about real people. With that in mind, I'd love to share a story about my mom's mother, my grandmother Ruth, using just a few examples of the incredible content that I found on Ancestry. I first found my grandmother in the 1940 census, where she was living in Brooklyn, New York, with my grandfather and my mom. And because Ancestry has a photo of every building in New York City from that same year, I even knew what the apartment she lived in actually looked like. And from that census record, I also learned that my grandmother grew up in Poland and immigrated to the United States at age 13. Let's experience that part of her story through our new Ancestry AI audio story feature.
The air on the docks of Southampton must have been thick with sea salt and anticipation as a 13-year-old girl named Ricela Thurm prepared to board the steamship President Harding. Standing just 4 feet 7 inches tall with brown hair and brown eyes, she was stepping away from everything she knew in Poland to join her father, Israel, who was already established in Brooklyn. Right there on the ship's manifest, the clerks marked her as a pupil, a student carrying her education and her heritage toward a brand new life in the United States.
It truly is one of the most addictive features on the site. So this is an interesting record. As I continued my family history journey, I uncovered records from my grandmother's early life. This is one of the most meaningful pieces of those records. It's her 5th grade report card, which I was lucky enough to get from Poland, and then uploaded it to Ancestry using our AI tools. And as it turns out, she was, for the most part, a good and sufficient student. So apparently, academic excellence really doesn't run in our family. But stories like these are a reminder that genealogy isn't just about records alone. It's about turning pieces of the past into stories that live on. And at Ancestry, that's what we exist to do at Ancestry. We connect everyone with their past so they can discover, preserve, and share their unique family stories. Because it's the stories that matter. They're really what make history personal. And they're what connect us to generations. And content is what makes those stories possible. Historical records and the content that you all contribute every day to the site. Together, they power discoveries. They bring family stories to life and turn records into meaning. And at Ancestry, we are deeply committed to that. We have the most online content in the industry, and we continue to invest to bring you more records, more discoveries, and more moments like the ones I just shared. So I've been an Ancestry user for a long time, and in the past year alone, I've benefited greatly from these new content additions. I received 831 new hints in 2025, and fully 25% of those hints, 200 hints, came from new content collections that we added last year. And all the work that I did on my tree, helps 64 other users that are likely in this audience. So today, Ancestry adds on average about 10 million records a day, and 65% of those records are unique to Ancestry. In 2025 alone, we added nearly 250 content collections, totaling more than 4 billion records. I'd have to stand up here for 2 days just to read them all, and I'm guessing nobody wants me to do that. So we really do have some exciting collections launching this next year. So some numbers. Over the past 17 years since I first joined the company, we have invested $400 million in content. And importantly, over the next 15 years, we plan to invest an additional $450 million in content. That's almost $1 billion dedicated to helping you all make more discoveries about the people and stories you care about most. We're not just adding records, we're making them work harder for you through better search, smarter hints, and storytelling tools. And here at RootsTech, you can see that commitment in real action. Yes, that's definitely worth clapping for. You could see that coming to life in the records we're sharing, the products we're building, and the genealogists who are here to help you every step of the way. So I hope you will join us at the Ancestry booth and at the amazing classes our genealogists, Krista, Lisa, and Nika are hosting over the next couple of days. Thank you so much for being part of this community. And really, thank you for trusting us with your family stories. I can't wait to see what you all do next. Thank you.